The George H.W. Bush is the 10th and final Nimitz-class nuclear-powered supercarrier of the United States Navy. An aircraft carrier is a warship that serves as a seagoing air base, equipped with a full-length flight deck and facilities for carrying, arming, deploying, and recovering aircraft. It is an awe-inspiring warship that strikes fear into the hearts of adversaries, like Russia and China. This extraordinary warship is not merely a vessel, it represents the pinnacle of technological superiority within the Nimitz-class. Her name is inspired by the 41st President of the United States.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 41st President of the United States, George H.W. Bush and Mrs. Barbara Bush.
An ex-CIA director who served in World War II as a naval aviator. Aircraft carriers allow a naval force to project air power worldwide without having to depend on local bases for staging aircraft operations. They are typically the largest ships in any navy, and they are usually the flagship of their respective fleet. Flight deck is where the action happens, serving as the carrier's operational heart, functioning as a runway for the takeoff and landing of aircraft. Capable of accommodating over 85 aircraft, including fixed-wing planes and rotary-wing helicopters, the 4.5-acre flight deck showcases the carrier's versatility. Imagine the coordination and precision required to operate such a behemoth. A dedicated crew of approximately 3,200 personnel, including officers and aircrews, ensures efficient and effective operation. The flight deck is one of the most important parts of an aircraft carrier because it houses all operations for the carrier, such as navigation and communication. The island on top of the deck houses these operations and also serves as a command center for all activities on board. Within the carrier, the hangar bay plays a crucial role, providing storage, repair, and supply facilities for aircraft and helicopters. The hangar bay also contains an elevator for moving the planes in and out. The hangar bay can store up to 90,000 pounds of ordnance, which includes bombs, missiles, torpedoes, as well as fuel for the planes. The hangar bay of an aircraft carrier can be divided into two sections, one for fixed-wing aircraft and one for rotary-wing aircraft. An aviation workshop area with repair bays enables the maintenance and restoration of damaged aircraft. The fixed-wing section can hold up to 20 planes, while the rotary wing section can hold up to 40 helicopters. But it's not just about size and spectacle. The George H.W. Bush is a symbol of American military superiority. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, advanced weapons systems, and even stealth capabilities, it represents the cutting edge of naval engineering. The ship is designed with a number of features that are meant to improve its combat effectiveness, including improved stealth and electromagnetic aircraft launching technology, which are more efficient than steam catapults and can launch heavier planes at faster speeds with less wear on the aircraft and less fuel use. The Nimitz-class ships are on their way to being replaced by the next-generation Gerald R. Ford-class CVN-78 aircraft carriers, which have been fully built and populated with the most advanced advancements in military technology. During long deployments at sea, the aircraft carrier relies on the process of underway replenishment to sustain its operations. As it cruises through the vast ocean, the ship connects with other vessels through a complex system of wires and pipes. The wire, known as a highline, enables the transfer of essential supplies, cargo, and mail between the ships, ensuring that the crew has everything they need to carry out their duties. Additionally, the ship's fueling probe, a specialized pipe, connects to a fueling receptacle on the aircraft carrier, allowing for the seamless transfer of fuel from supply ships. These remarkable procedures demonstrate the Navy's ability to maintain the George H.W. Bush's operational readiness, even during long periods at sea, making it a formidable force on the open waters. The USS George H.W. Bush is the most technologically advanced Nimitz-class warship. Construction of this aircraft carrier began in 2003 and was completed in 2009 for $6.2 billion. Her home port is Naval Station Norfolk, Virginia. With a length exceeding 1,092 feet and a displacement of over 100,000 tons, the George H.W. Bush showcases the height of naval engineering and technological advancements. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.